Hello there guys, welcome to Prepare Your Pan channel. Today we will make a celery root soup. All the ingredients will be listed in the video description below. We will start by making our mise en place, and for this we will need 2 peeled celery roots, 1 onion, 2 carrots, 3 medium-sized potatoes. Wash all the ingredients and we will cut them in large pieces. We will also add 2 chillies, 1 garlic clove and some parsley. Now our mise en place is ready. In a large pot we will add all our ingredients, cover them with water and bring to a boil. Once the soup is boiling, let it simmer on a low heat for 40 minutes or until the celery root is soft. After all ingredients are cooked, we will strain the soup and remove all the vegetables except the potatoes and the celery root. Now we are going to blend the soup, adding the strained liquid and some vegetable stock. If you don't have any vegetable stock, you can use water. Don't forget to taste before seasoning your soup. I like adding some cream. Give this a final blend and you're done. I'm garnishing my soup with some breadcrumbs and fresh parsley. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new recipes. Have a great day. Bye.